Click on the link below to get price. The 1000W folding electric bike is a standout option for anyone seeking a versatile, powerful, and convenient electric bicycle. This bike is designed for both urban commuting and off-road adventures, making it an excellent choice for various riding conditions. With its impressive specifications, including a 48V 20AH large removable battery and a top speed of over 30 miles per hour, this electric bike truly delivers on performance and practicality. A significant aspect of this electric bike is its folding design. The ability to fold it down into a more compact size is a game-changer for urban dwellers or anyone with limited storage space. Whether you're looking to stow it in your apartment, take it on public transport, or fit it in the trunk of your car for a weekend getaway, the folding mechanism is straightforward and efficient. It takes just a few seconds to fold and unfold, making it user-friendly for riders of all ages. The 1000W motor provides substantial power, allowing you to tackle hills and rough terrain effortlessly. This bike is equipped with a gear system that includes multiple speeds, ensuring a smooth ride whether you're cruising on flat roads or navigating steep inclines. The electric assist feature offers an additional boost when needed, making it easier to pedal without exerting excessive effort. Riders can effortlessly switch between electric and manual modes, allowing for a customizable riding experience. One of the highlights is the 48V 20AH removable battery, which is a significant asset for anyone who may want to charge the battery without bringing the entire bike inside. With a full charge, this battery can support a range of up to 50 miles, depending on factors such as rider weight, terrain, and the level of assist used. This is particularly appealing for commuters who wish to travel longer distances without worrying about running out of battery. Additionally, the battery can be recharged in roughly 4 to 6 hours, which is relatively quick and convenient for daily use. The bike's design is also noteworthy. It features a sturdy aluminum frame that is both lightweight and durable. The overall aesthetic is modern and sleek, appealing to a wide range of users. The adjustable seat and handlebars cater to different riders, ensuring comfort whether you're taking a short trip around the city or going for an extended ride on a scenic route. The bike's design also includes front and rear lights, essential for safety during night rides. Another aspect worth mentioning is the suspension system. The front fork suspension absorbs shocks and bumps effectively, enhancing the comfort level while riding over uneven surfaces. This feature is particularly beneficial for riders who may venture off the beaten path or encounter potholes and rough roads in urban environments. The bike is equipped with disc brakes on both the front and rear wheels, providing superior stopping power and safety, especially at higher speeds. While the overall performance and features of the 1000W folding electric bike are commendable, there are a couple of considerations for potential buyers. The bike can be on the heavier side, which may pose a challenge when carrying it upstairs or lifting it into a vehicle, especially for those who are not particularly strong. However, this is often a trade-off for the additional power and features it offers. Another point to consider is the bike's price point. While it is competitively priced compared to other e-bikes on the market, it still represents a significant investment. Buyers should weigh the benefits of the powerful motor, removable battery, and folding design against their budget and intended usage to ensure it aligns with their needs. Overall, the 1000W folding electric bike is an excellent option for anyone looking for a robust and functional electric bicycle. Its combination of power, flexibility, and comfort makes it suitable for a range of riders, from daily commuters to weekend adventurers. With the added convenience of a removable battery and a thoughtful folding design, this e-bike is designed for the modern lifestyle. It's a reliable choice that can handle various terrains and distances, making it a worthy investment for those in search of an efficient and enjoyable riding experience. Whether you need a quick ride to work or a leisurely